Having tried a few relaxers and having lost a lot of hair in 2019/2020, I decided to fix it. No, I'm not going natural because my hair oil is not even natural. It's Axonopus compressors. That's what's on my head. So no, I'm not going natural. However, I am trying a new relaxer. I have never used this relaxer before. This is the Mega Growth Anti-Damage No Lie Relaxer. So for somebody like me that has itchy scalp, sensitive skin, sensitive life, sensitive bank account, sensitive everything, I decided to try this out. I've read a few things about it. In this video, I'm basically going to be using it on my hair, and I'm also going to be reviewing it, telling you what I think about this new journey that I'm going on with this relaxer. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm back with my hair. My hair is silky smooth, like girl. I feel like relaxer has a lot to play in the hair. I don't want to be all biased and everything. It's a combination of the relaxer and the skills. My mom is the one that relaxed my hair and she handled it so meticulously. Also, the relaxer, my hair could handle it. What I mean by that is the previous relaxer I used, like once the hand was out of my hair, in like 2 minutes I was already screaming all over the place. Like if you've not seen that vlog, go check it out. I was screaming all over the place that I need to have my hair washed immediately. But with this one, I could still handle it for like 5 minutes, and I got my hair washed. Like I said, my scalp is very sensitive. I really like the result. It's silky, it's smooth. I didn't have any burns of any kind. Like I don't have any hair sticking to the ground, sticking to my scalp. So in total, over 5, I would rate this relaxer. Okay, I did want to mention I got a little bit of scar. I don't know if it is from the relaxer or from my hair itself. So when my mom was trying to apply gel, because I was trying to do packing gel, I told you guys, I'm not sure if I did, but if I didn't, I was trying to do packing gel. So when she was applying the gel, it was peppering me. It was peppering me. So I do not recommend that you go in with your gel immediately after washing your hair, because am I pronouncing hair correctly? Hair. Is it hair or hair? Yeah. Hair. So I don't recommend that you go in with your gel immediately, because my eye turned red, my head was peppering me, like all the tension I didn't feel from actually using the relaxer. Once the gel went on my head, I was shaking, it was peppering me, my eyes were red. I just had to wash it off immediately. I was like, I'm going to let this dry out before I actually gel my hair. So that is one thing that I noticed with trying to use the gel after relaxing my hair. So in total, I'll rate this product a 4.7. 4.7 how tender it was with my scalp. I could manage it. The silky smooth result, it was perfect, as in it is perfect. Also, I wanted to mention my last relaxer appointment, my hair fell out in chunks. Like I said, I don't know if it's the scale or the person, but with this one I had very minimal to no breakage at all. I know it seems like as if I'm hyping this product, but it's because I actually really love my results with the Mega Growth Anti-Damage No Lie Relaxer. So yeah, that is it. Yes, I do recommend this product, 4.7 over 5. Let me know if you've ever used this product or if you plan to try it out. What are your thoughts on the product? Thank you so much for watching. My name is Damie, and I'll love to see you in my next video, which will probably be the review of the gel, because I'm going to as a moon transform. So yeah, peace.